Hi everyone, I'm back with another haul. Before I go ahead and do that, I just wanted to give you an update. So I did end up putting just a regular acetate on top of my notebook. I have my cute pen here that totally goes with my little book. This was from Disneyland. And I realized I had this punch, and that's why I wanted to come on also to share with you the We Are Memory Keepers planner punch. Some of you guys may have this, but it makes it so much easier to punch holes, because initially I was hand punching it. So you'll see here I have a paper clip from Andrea Bethke's shop. So I made a paper clip out of it, and it looks like that in the back. And then this is my doggy teddy bear. So I did put about 3 pictures in here. I have pictures of my kids, and I did also add, let's see, I made another paper clip using again the Andrea Bethke's acrylic pieces. I love these. Even though I'm doing resin right now, I still love the acrylic pieces. I think they go so well with her collection. I added tabs, so I don't know if I shared that with you guys after I had added tabs. And then I did end up kind of doing this like a planner. I did add a list, a kind of like a to-do list, because that's usually what I need. And then this is from, actually, these monthly goals, these inserts, they are actually from Michael's. I bought them a while ago. They came in the books in their planner section. So yeah, basically just to help me keep track of, you know, when I'm grooming my dog, since I am a groomer now, I am a barber. I've totally embraced my homemaker status, my temporary homemaker status. I've always considered myself a career woman, but since I'm home for now, yes, I really have to get organized and just keep track of inventory and in my house, you know, supplies, whatnot. My husband is the one that goes to groceries, but I kind of have to try to keep everything organized. The only thing I did different with this one is I did add this spider web. This is an Alina Craft die. I made a boo-boo here, so I ended up, I had too much glue. I don't know what happened, but, and then it kind of smeared. But anyway, I had to add the little cat, which is one of the digital elements that I was able to cut with my Cricut. And then the only other thing I added was vellum. I still haven't put pictures yet, but I did add, and this is supposed to be a pocket, but, or an envelope, but I haven't had a chance to sew, so I'm going to be sewing here, here, and probably here. But that's what I did. And you know, remember I printed these vellum sheets with my other printer, so I was able to print this design, and then I was able to print one more, this one on vellum. So that's the only new stuff that I did with my planner. I did buy some things. I was enabled by my friend Siv, a CraftyPoodleMom. Hey girl! We've been talking, chit-chatting about resin, because she's also making resin. And she totally enabled me to get more supplies from Amazon. So this is just a small Amazon haul. I did order some more resin, but I also ordered this UV resin clear, and I think it's the same brand as the one Siv shared on her channel. I'll leave her link. but it's just a smaller bottle, and I'm basically just going to use it as a glue, so I didn't think I needed that much, and I was trying not to buy more than I needed for the moment. So it's supposed to have low odor. Here it is. I think it says on here, fast curing, self degassing. Oh, okay. High gloss, and I want to say it's low odor. I thought I read that somewhere. So, which I don't have that much of a problem. I wear a mask anyway. But I do have a UV light because you guys know I started doing my nails, and that's how busy I've been. Haven't done my nails. But yes, you apply this. There is a tutorial. I'll see if I can link it. I've been watching this girl, and she does resin shakers. So stinking cute. I know Anne's been doing also resin shakers. So anyway, this is just baby oil, you guys. I just bought it. It's just Johnson's baby oil. And I just bought these molds, which come with the film. I wasn't sure about what the films were, but it kind of looks like, I wonder if you can just use acetate, you know, like my regular acetate, because that's what it feels like. I don't know if it's any different. I thought they would be thinner, but they're actually thick like my acetate. And I'll leave the links to the molds, but Siv already shared it on her channel. But look how cute. So you make the mold, and then you put your little sprinkles or glitter pieces in there, Fimo slice pieces, and then you put this over. Of course, you have to cut it to size. Well, before you put it over, you put the glue, just like when you're making a shaker. You would put it over like this, and then you cure it under your UV light. And then just to secure it, just to make sure, I guess, that it stays on there, the girl I was watching, she domed it, meaning she put the clear casting resin. After she's done the UV light, she puts the clear resin on top, just actually all over on top of the acetate. And I think she finishes the front and the back of her. Anyway, I'll leave the tutorial. And as you can see, these have the little, it has this little tunnel here. A tunnel. It's so that you can squirt the baby oil inside. You can do a dry shaker if you don't want to use the baby oil, but it, when you demold it, you'll see that you have this little hole here with a little tunnel that where you can put the baby oil in. Of course, after you put the acetate and seal it. But look how cute these molds are. Oh, was that up? Oh, look how cute the watermelon. And look, this is the size of my hand, so as you can see, they're not very big, maybe an inch and maybe 2 inches, inch and a half. This one, Siv was like, what is this? She wasn't sure what this one was either. I thought it was one of those nautical, like the captain's wheel initially, but I don't think it is, because then it would have been crisscrossed, right? The lines would have been diagonal. So I'm not sure what that is, but this, oh my gosh. I had to get this set basically for this. For this and the moon. And of course these, because I don't have any plain stars and these sizes. I don't have these. So they don't have holes, so you do have to put the metal bales or whatever bales you want. I would do the metal bales in the back if you want to make them a charm. Otherwise, what would you do with them, right? Stopwatch, or is it a clock? So there's that, and then that wasn't cute enough. This one's even cuter. Look, it's so cute. Is it a perfume bottle? I think it's a perfume bottle, but the top part, do you see it? It has a seashell. So cute. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, the perfume bottles are so darling. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with these, and I hope I can do it right. This one is the, oh, this one too. Civ showed this and I was like, oh my gosh, it's a little glue gun. Do I even have it on the right? Yeah, it's a little glue gun. It's so adorable. And then this one, of course I have to have one unicorn. I don't have any unicorn ones. Here is that, which is the globe. Oh my gosh. The little cards. So cute. And you can color this any color, so you can do a Halloween one if you wanted. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's a camera. It's like a vintage camera. And then look at the ice cream truck. Look at the ice cream. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun with these, and they're not too big. It looks like it's easy to pour the resin in, and they're clear. So guess what? You can have a nice shiny resin. Oh my gosh, can't wait to play with these. Okay, so I'll be back with another video, another haul, not a big haul, big item haul. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.